Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to Max lecture series. So in this session, we will be learning one more triple integration under various functions. Let us see the given function value is 1 if you observe, and the corresponding limit has been given as see there. First one, this is traveling from 0 to 2. Second one is traveling from 0 to z. Third one is traveling from 0 to y plus z. Sir, how can we bring the answer for this function? In the last lesson, if you observe, our limits has been specified and they are finite values like 0 to 2, 0 to 4, they are constant. But in this case, if you observe, limit itself, we are having the variable which is going to be integrated here. If you observe the same function in the limit also, if you observe the same variable in the limit also, what can we do, sir? Which one will going to be integrated first? So here already we have seen this type of cases even in double integration also. So let me teach you how to do that. One second. Yeah. So this is traveling from 0 to y plus z. First thing is observe the limits. If you observe the limit, it is traveling from 0 to y plus z. Y and z both are coming to the picture. It means this limit has been written for x. X is varying from 0 to y plus z. That is the first one. And see there, for the x I have defined the limit. Then which is left now? The left one is y and z. Now if you observe the second one, the limit is going from 0 to z. The left variables are y and z. I cannot take z itself z. So y has been defined. The second range is given for y. Y is traveling from 0 to z. Then by default, third one is going to be z only. So z value is going to be traveled from 0 to 2. Always remember one thing, integration limits will be specified for some other variable. If integration will be defined 0 to y plus z in the sense, which is the variable, which variable is missing here? The missing variable is x. It means 0 to y plus z has been defined for x. So for the x limit has been specified, and then take the variables which is left. Which is left here, y and z is left. So I am considering y and z. Now focus on the second limit. Second limit is traveling from 0 to z. Out of these two variables, which is missing in the second limit? Y is missing. So y has been different from 0 to z. After that, finally we will be left with only z. So the final limit is automatically going for z. This is how you have to identify the triple integrations variables when the limit has been specified in terms of the integration variable. Now I hope you all understood this. So from this, let us proceed further. Then how to integrate this function, sir? First we are going to start our integration with respect to x, then with respect to y, at last with respect to z. Yes or no? If we integrate 1 with respect to x, then it will become, with respect to dx, it will become x only. And the limits are traveling from 0 to y plus z. Whereas still we have two more limits, 0 to 0 to z. Am I right? Wait, yeah, 0 to 2, 0 to z, and still we have to integrate this function with respect to y with respect to z. What will be obtaining from here? It is easy to say that upper limit will be directly giving us y plus z, that's all, into dy dz, that's all. Now first limit is 0 to 2, second limit is 0 to z. What we are going to do now? Second time we have to integrate this function with respect to y. If we integrate this function with respect to y will become y square by 2 plus z is a constant. So z with respect to dy will become zy simply, and limits are going from 0 to z. So here the final limit is 0 to 2, still we have to integrate with respect to dz. So let us complete. If we substitute upper limit in place of y, so wherever we have y will be replaced by z such that it will become z square by 2 plus, if I will replace y by 2 z, it will become z square. Lower limit will be giving 0 completely, so I am not going to consider the effect of lower limit because that is 0. So now if we continue from this, tell me what is the value of z square by 2 plus z square? It will be giving us 3 times of z square by 2, that's all. So the final limit is 0 to 2 with respect to dz. It will be giving us 3 by 2, already it is a constant. If we integrate z square with respect to dz, it will be giving us z power 3 by 3, and limits are traveling from 0 to 2. From this we can say it will be 3 by 2 into, if we substitute the upper limit, it will become 2 cube, or we can say 8 by 3. Anyway, 3 will get cancelled out, 8 by 2 will be giving us 4. Lower limit will be 0, I am not considering that effect. So, the volume of this given triple integration will be equal to 4. This is how we are doing the triple integration when the limit has been specified in terms of variables. Variables means, see there, the integration variables and the limit variables will become same. In that case, it is very important to observe with respect to whom we have to start the integration first, with respect to whom we have to finish the integration, such that you will get the complete value. This is all for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will be coming up with one more question. Thank you all.